Hey, this is sportsman100 here, and I'm going to do a couple tricks, but first I want to show you my my bike. It's a kink launch. The rims are pretty good. I like them. Can't really tell them, but there. I got a kink crank and everything. I like the chain. It's really good. It really works. Pretty much everything else is kink. Yeah, a nice kink seat. It's really good. It's a launch. The grips, they're kind of wearing down, but I've had it for a couple years. They got Haro bike handlebar caps, and my brakes are pretty good. So that's my bike.